Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to use Safelists and email marketing to generate leads and commissions. And I'm going to email 640,000 prospects in the next few minutes from these platforms. And the first one is Hercules, where there are now nearly 350,000 members. And Hercules is free to join. I've set a lot of these up just to save time for the video. So with Hercules, you can advertise 7 different ways. It's very beginner friendly. You're going to click submit ad there. Um, it's probably the fastest growing. You'll see there 347,000 members. It's probably the fastest growing platform for promoting your offer. And each of these include tier 1 traffic and buyers. I'm in my lead gen secret, which is 100% tier 1 traffic, including buyers. I'm going to go into mailing system. And within my lead gen secret, just click select all here. My lead gen secret, you get 100 to 200 leads every single day. So I've got playlists and other videos on my channel about all of these platforms if you want to have a look at them. So today I'm going to mail out to 178,000 prospects with my lead gen secret. I'm going to click yes to this email just for purpose of saving time. And you start with 100 leads. And then if you want to get 200 leads a day, just promote the offer, promote the platform. When you get one paid referral, you get 200 leads per day. I'm going to click on perfect timing, and that makes sure that the prospects are going to see this email depending on their time zone around the world. I do recommend you click preview just to check your affiliate links. This is a ClickBank offer that I'm sending out. I'm going to send email. And then with my lead gen secret, you can download the leads. They are your own, and you can email out once a day. If you download the leads, then you can be more aggressive with your email marketing. But you'll see there, I can now email again in 23 hours time. And that's my lead gen secret. European Safe List has been around now for, I think, over 10 years, recognizing the industry. I'm going to email out today to, you see here, 17,920 members. I started out for free with a lot of these. And what I recommend that you do is that you spend a percentage of your marketing promoting traffic. So I'm going to send that out now there to nearly 18,000 members. And when you start to get some referrals, I recommend you upgrading these platforms, and then you can start to promote to a larger audience. So let's go on to the next one, which is proactive mailer. So safe lists are really great for beginners because you've got a pre-built audience to promote to. So when you haven't got an email list, you haven't got a social media following, then this is how I started promoting. I just built these up over time. I like proactive mailer because the owner, Phil, what he does, he cleans out this list on a consistent basis, and you're only going to be promoting to members that are actually clicking on the emails. This one's going out to nearly 3,000 members. Going to click send there. That's got a high percentage of tier 1 traffic. Now you've got to confirm your site in this one, but what you'll see here is that I'm promoting a lead capture page. So I'm taking the prospects from the safe list onto my own list when they opt into my lead capture page. So don't promote a sales page, promote a lead capture page within safe lists. Just confirm my site there. The next one is a brand new site by Frank Salinas, who's been full-time marketer for, I think since 2006. With this platform as an affiliate, you can earn 100% commissions. So I've done other videos on my channel about that. This is going to go out today to 1,500 members. It's quite a new platform, but it's growing daily. And that's the lead capture page. I'm promoting the click engine on there. I like Land Marketing Mailer because Land Marketing Mailer has got a high percentage of tier 1 traffic. I'm going to promote here to 2,500 members. I'm going to click there, and that's going to go out to 2,500. Again, we're going to validate the lead capture page. And then, so you see there, I'm using the lead capture page, just confirm that there. The next one is Mr. Safelists. I'm going to give you an ebook at the end of this video. Because Mr. Safelists, the owner here in the bottom left-hand corner, Jerry Iannucci, he's a grandmaster. He's been a Safelists marketer for 15 years. And Jerry knows exactly how to use these and generate leads and commission. He's really what I call a grandmaster in Safelists marketing. And this is his own Safelists, but I'm going to give you a free ebook at the end of this video, teach you how to do Safelists marketing correctly. I'm going to click send there. Jerry also cleans his list out regular. This site here is Pangea. It's owned by Marion Myers. She's a traffic expert. This site's got 129,000 members, and the membership level I'm at, I can send out to 10,000. Marianne Myers has been creating traffic sites for 20 years, so you're in very safe hands with her traffic sources. I'm going to send an email there. That's going to go out. Safelists Mailer has 44,000 members. Sorry, State of the Art has 44,000 members. It's been around for over 10 years. I'm going to send email now. I think this one might ask me to. Okay, so that's already complete. Your email has been placed in the queue, will be sent shortly. The next 3 sites are by Darren Olander. Darren Olander's been around 15 years. He's another traffic expert. This is List Jumper. I use 3 of his platforms. So I've just preloaded that. I'm going to send mail down here. This will also test my lead capture page. The next one by Darren Olander is List Surfing. So we'll go down here and we'll send mail here. That's List Surfing. And that's going to test my lead capture page. And the final one by Darren Olander is AdChiever that I'm a member of. So some of these I can email every day and some I can email every 3 days. So that depends on when you upgrade. Depends on what upgrade option you take. Send one there. And that's going to go out to my lead capture page there. Let me show you the free ebook that I'm going to give you. This is by Jerry Iannucci, and it's called The Ultimate Guide to Safelists Marketing. So what I'll do is I'm going to put this a link to this free ebook. I'm going to pin it to the top comment below this video. And there's Jerry there, and he's going to teach you everything inside here of how to use Safelists to generate leads and commissions. So Jerry's a great coach, and he's a member of a lot of Safelists. I've lost track. I think he's a member of about 50 Safelists, so he's an absolute expert. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share this video with anybody you think would be interested in making money online. And if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week. I've got 1,000 videos on my channel. So there'll be a link in the description to each of these traffic sources that I've shared with you today. A lot of them are free to join, so I recommend you set up a free account. A lot of them will start you off with some free credit, so you can start today by getting free traffic to your offers. And then I do recommend promoting traffic. Do a percentage of your marketing promoting traffic, so then when you get some referral commissions, you can upgrade, and then you can start building a larger audience to promote to. And that's how I started and how I've built these up over time. If you've got any questions about anything in today's video, please leave those questions in the comments. And I put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.